I'm just gonna show you the colors real quick before I put the camera up on the stand. So maybe I should get some light on here. This is Nickel Ace of Gold by Golden, and this is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red. I've thinned these down because, as you can see, I've already been at it, and again my paint was too thick, I think. And this one is Pepio's Blue Green. This is COLOURARTE MYSTIQUE. Gorgeous color. I don't know if it's in focus. Let's try again. MYSTIQUE, so gorgeous. A little bit of shine in there. And this one is Raspberry Wine, also from COLOURARTE. Primary pigment. No, primary elements, of course. And it's a pigment, that's what I meant to say. And the last one is Sunset Glow, also from COLOURARTE. I like the sheen in this one as well. I don't know if it shows on the camera. Anyway, it's gorgeous. And for my cell activator, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this purple one, or maybe I use this one, Prussian blue. But I'm gonna see when I start up. Let's go to the canvas. Hi guys. So same pillow paint as the last piece, but I thinned it up a bit. I don't know if I should thin it up a little bit more. It didn't move very well on the canvas, so we're gonna try. And then I'm gonna use the white here in the middle, and as a flow extender I'm gonna maybe use the scrapes from the previous piece, because this is my last of my old paint. The new one doesn't work, so I have to get something else. I hope I can get this one again. The new one, it's fluctuating, so I don't think I can get it to work in the bloom recipe. So I already showed you the colors, so now I'm just gonna layer them down here, make 2 blooms and blow them out and tilt the heck out of them, because that's what I'm trying to learn. Deconstructed bloom. I'm inspired by Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. If you're not familiar with her channel, please go and check it out. I'm gonna put a link in my description. She makes some gorgeous pieces and all kind of different color schemes, and it's really inspiring. She talks a lot during the video, and yeah, you learn a lot from her. So go check her out. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I kind of paired the colors up. So quinacridone and the Naples Yellow Red, I felt like were good together, and the same with the 2 blue shades. And the last 2 here I feel like are good together, so it's kind of like in pairs. I don't know if that's the wrong way to go about it, but that's how I do, or at least how I think. And then I'm gonna see if it's a bad idea. So now I have to decide on the CA blue or purple. I can do one of each, of course. I can start with the purple. And then I'm gonna blow out, and I'm trying to learn how to use my hairdryer. I have a small blower, I feel like I have more control with that one, but the petals are getting, oh, it's thickened up again. This is my scrapes from the tart. Might as well use that as a float extender. Yeah, that's better. So I'm gonna use that on the sides here, so the paint moves easier to the edges. And just for now, I'm just gonna put some down so when I blow it out, it doesn't get stuck halfway. So let's see. I'm gonna try my hairdryer once again, but maybe I'm gonna switch to the little one because I really don't feel like I have control. Oh my gosh, if I use the low fan, it doesn't move a lot. Practically doesn't move at all. And if I use the high fan, I'm totally out of control. Really spread out a lot. I'm gonna let it collect for a little bit and put another bloom, and maybe then, I don't know if I should use the black one or the blue one or purple, I don't know. I decided to go with black and white on this one just to see the different effects. Maybe I'll regret it, but hope not. The black makes a nice halo. I think maybe the white is sinking. Without a halo. Oh, wait a minute. I just need to put down a little bit of paint so it can move when I blow. Let's hope I can control this one. Here we go. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. I don't think my hairdryer is that very good at this. Oh, my hair. You guys, I'm using gloves because I have to go to a tournament soon, and I thought, hey, if I'm really good and doesn't mess up my hands, I can get some time and make a piece or two. And now I just dipped my hair. I have to go wash that. Simba? Nej. Just put on some paint here so it moves easier when I tilt it. I feel like I have enough on the canvas. I just need to get some down on the corners. Let's see how it moves. Simba. My cat is getting naughty. He's going to steal stuff and I have to run after him sometimes, so there may be some cuts in this video because I have to save something from him. Just gonna move this a little bit around. No, I want to get that black part off. I'm not sure I like that part very much. Let me just go this way for a little bit. Just gonna go down that corner. Hope to get some negative space, but I'm not sure. Go on, get over there. Just gonna help it with some white, just to make it wet, and then let it sit for a little bit, and then the paint is gonna drag itself off over the edge. Do I have some white anywhere? Let's tilt it a little bit this way. I hope I'm in frame. Really not good at this yet. After a little break, I had to run over and save a silicone straw from my cat. He was chewing it up. And when I came back, I didn't like the one bloom. The dark and the cells and then all the colors were not in harmony, I think. It was too divided. So I gave it another go, and I'm laying my colors the same way and end up with using the Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red on top of the other colors, because it's a tube paint and I believe it's opaque, so I want to see what that does for the selling in the piece. Yeah, definitely have more control that way. Nej, simpelthen. Nej. My cat is stealing everything right now. I have to run and chase him all the time. He's really being naughty right now. I don't have the time. Maybe that's what he senses. Just break the tension a little bit. And just let it sit and rest. Maybe I'm gonna pause you guys for a few minutes and let it collect. So let's see what we have here. I'm more happy with this blowout, with the small blower, for sure. Just go over this side first, and then, oh my cups keep falling. Oh, it's because it's so sticky. They're really slippery. And go over this corner. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just let the weight of the paint do its job on the corner here. And then I'm gonna tilt all the way across. Let's see what happens. It can't be worse than the other one. Just need to make sure it goes over the edge here. There you go. And then down. Really need you to go over the side here. Maybe I can help a little. Go on. And bring it a little bit into the middle so I can tilt the other part off. let me bring you guys in for a close-up. So, really had a hard time with this one. I switched to my small blower and it worked out a lot better, I think. I have some cells, I hope they hold up. I have some wonky stretched ones. And then I had a problem with, there were too many hard lines here, so I fixed it the best way I could. I don't know how, so just had to try, see what happened. So I'm gonna see how this dries. I actually think maybe either I'm too slow or my weather condition makes it dry too fast. Maybe I should just get better at blowing, I don't know. A lot of stuff went wrong here, I think. I'm not sure if the pillow and colors were actually thin enough, but I'm also afraid to make them too thin. So, do you have any advice for me? Any good ideas on how to prevent blowing into the pillow with my hairdryer? Because that's what happened. It didn't work for me. So, good advice is mostly appreciated. Please like, share, subscribe if you feel for it, and stay safe out there till next time. Bye!